Good evening from InvestSharp. This is Randy Smotone with your Tuesday, March 23rd market update. On the economic front, the monthly existing home sales number came in a little weaker than expected, coming in at 5.02 million at an annualized rate, with a 8.6 month supply for February compared to a 7.8 month supply for January. So that wasn't too great on the existing home sales. Of course, obviously it didn't impact the market any. And then on deck for tomorrow, we have the monthly durable goods orders, we'll have the monthly new home sales, and the weekly EIA petroleum status report. The dollar, gold, silver, and oil were all up today, and copper was down. Light sweet crude futures, which are now in the May contract, were up 31 cents to settle at $81.91 a barrel. Take a look at the West Texas Intermediate crude. Of course, we went on a sell signal. I had said that it might be a bear trap, and obviously it probably was, maybe. So we'll go back on a buy signal on crude. If we print the 84, we need to take out the prior column of X's. So we need to print 84. We'll go back to a buy signal on crude. So we're back up in that, getting there. Let's go over, take a quick look at the dollar. The dollar, it didn't do a whole lot today. A little tiny candle here, kind of buying and selling was mixed. Obviously, it's still inside this, bearish candle here, an inside day of that bearish candle. Let's take a look at the Dow. Dow broke out to new highs, took out this 10,800 area, went higher, real strong today. So the Dow closed up 102 points to 10,888. S&P closed up 8 points to 1,174. The Nasdaq closed up 19 points to 2,415, and the Russell closed up 7 points to 690. The Russell had the largest percent gain again today, up 1.08%, and the S&P was the weakest today, but still managed to close up 0.72%. So we looked at the Dow, took out the high. S&P 500 again took out the high. I'm talking about all, definitely some people that were probably short. Once we took this out here, they had to go, either got back long or had to cover. And we're at that quarter in institutional, money flowing in, and they got to look good. So I think we'll have probably pretty good market at least through the end of this month. So far, so good. S&P looked good. The Nasdaq, again, took out its high, looking good and strong. MACDs are looking okay here. And the volume was actually pretty good across the indices today, too. The volume was pretty decent, so that was another good sign. Let's look at the XLF. XLF working its way back up, possibly to take out this prior high here from March the 17th. Goldman Sachs actually pulled back a little bit today. It has had a huge run, so it needs to probably rest a little bit. So, but it still looks good here. You could go long and just give it a chance to come back here a little bit and see where it goes before you jump in and get long again. Gold. Gold, still holding around this 107-ish, 550 area. It's right there. It's looking all right. Silver, we'll see if it's actually into resistance here or not, it's not looking too bad either, but it could be into a resistance area right there on this trend line if that, if that holds true. Let's look at the VIX volatility index. There is no volatility. It just keeps going down. So kind of scary when it seems like it goes down all the time. Let's see, copper. Copper was actually just kind of sitting here, still stuck, kind of in this little channel down almost, but it's had some good buying volume, more buying than selling, so copper's still holding up all right. Let's look at the McClellan oscillator to see how our overbought, oversold conditions look. And so we're 23.97, so we're still not bad. We need overbought would be way up in here, up in the 60 to 80-ish area, and then oversolds here. So we're actually fine. We can definitely go higher if that's what the market wants to do. So let's go to the sectors. So 15 of the 16 sectors we follow finish in the green today. The semi-index was the strongest, up 2.26%. The home construction index was the weakest, down 1.39%. The only red one that I follow. Let's go over to Chart Watch. Quite a few charts to check out, some new ones and some, pretty much buy anything right now. It's going to go up, but seems like it pretty much. This little rack space, nice little, had good buying here. Watch this. It's in a little triangle, RAX. Walgreens had earnings. It has broken above, with volume broken above the downtrend line, so keep an eye on WAG. Lamb Research, nice breakout. It's had huge moves the last 2 days, tons of volume. So if you could maybe get it down here around 36, but it looks like it just wants to go higher. I would probably going to at least get to back up to around 39. Looks good. United States Steel breaking out above the downtrend line with volume today is looking good. This little Zeus Steel triangle looks good. Had a lot of volume breaking out. MITI, Micromet. Nice breakout, lots of volume here. My first target would be around 9 1/4, and target 2 would be around 11 1/4. This little NEP breaking out today. If it's a little triangle with lots of volume, it's looking good. ICLR breaking out, lots of volume, lots of breakouts, a lot of movement. Watch Monsanto down here. It's right up against its downtrend line, so see if it can break out above that. If it can break out above that with volume, the MACD's moving up, so I'm thinking it can, and might be able to go long some Monsanto. Rhino looks like it is in a channel up. It just bounced off of it here, so it's looking good. Probably should get back up in near that 2750. This Ares Capital Corporation, nice breakout today. That's a nice looking chart. Bucyrus broke out today. Kind of a little bit of a cup and handle type pattern. Looks good, lots of volume. Now this one, you might want to go after the Joy Global because it looks like it's in this huge kind of a cup and handle, and it should break out here. I would probably on the back of the Bucyrus breaking out, and Joy Global had good earnings. That's why it gapped up. So probably jump on that one. Take Two breaking out higher today. VSEA. Watch it right over today's high of 31.68. You could buy VIA. It's got volume coming in and looks like it's wanting to break out. Kind of got an ascending going there. Visa was a bull, looks like a bull flag, and it's trying to break out of the flag today. That one's looking good. Caterpillar, huge breakout. It had been consolidating. WDC still going higher, is looking good. STX, Seagate Technology going higher, looking good. Marvell broke out. It's looking good. Lots of volume. Medtronic, it has not broken out yet, so watch it over the high right here of 46.35. We talked about Reynolds. It's still looking good. Hasn't broken out higher yet, but keep an eye on it. Walter Energy just keeps going. About to break out over its previous high. Deere broke out today, which we've been watching. Cooper Tire and Rubber had broken out yesterday. It looks like it wants to go higher. Watch this little ERJ. It's got resistance at 25. If it breaks out 25, it should go higher by a few more dollars. DKS, still looking good. Been watching this one, kind of a longer term triangle here. Really bounced off this 26 support, but definitely probably going to go higher. It may need a couple of months. If you're going to do options, you probably need to buy it, might give it 2 months or so, or 3. Give it a little time. RIM, come out of its bull flag today, looks good. LVS, we'd already seen it break out. It's still holding up there. It's probably going to go higher. MGM. Made an attempt at it, but it still hasn't got. So this one, still watch this. So over today's high, 1280, and it needs some volume to get moving. If it gets moving, you could buy it. Been watching this one, Blue Coat Systems. Lots of volume today, broke out higher. Very strong. CYH had already broke out, resting today. Not that heavy of a volume, still looks fine. CVBF. And this little financial still looks good. So it's still holding up. It's had tons of volume coming in. Still looks good. Clean energy looks like it's in a bull flag, so watch it to break out of the flag. This ABC still looks good. It's resting today, not on high volume, even though it was red. It was not on high volume. I think it will turn and go higher. And this little AHT Ashford Hospitality still looks good. So let's go take a look at the current market signals. We follow the point and figure charts for the Dow, the NASDAQ, S&P. They're all on buy. There's no changes. Project, everything's looking good here. And no need to look at them. We just keep going higher, and it all looks good. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching InvestSharp's Daily Market Analysis.